Hi, I'm Donna from PTM, and I just wanted to introduce you to Oleg. Oleg is an associate at our company. He works in our welding department, and I was super touched a few weeks ago when I found out Oleg's story. Oleg has come here from Ukraine, and he's only been here 4 months. And the cool thing, he's been working at our organization for 3 months. He's paying taxes, he's a productive citizen, and that's what America's about. And I am just super proud to have Oleg and have his wife and his family here working, or in our area, and Oleg working for our company. I am super touched by that, and I think that's what America's all about. So thank you, Oleg. And Oleg and I, we don't speak the same language, but we had fun earlier today on Google Translator. And that's the cool thing about it. Our whole team here has really embraced Oleg. They're making it happen by going through Google Translator, and he is being productive, and it's so great to have him here on our team. And listen, that's what America's all about. So I'm super excited to tell the story. So watch for future postings that we'll be telling you about how all this came about, and maybe that you can help another legal immigrant have a job and help them be part of the American dream. Thank you, Oleg.